Good morning. It snowed last night. So beautiful out though. We are getting ready to get something to eat for breakfast and then head to the convention center. Are you super excited, Rocky?
Woohoo!
Yeah, we're so pumped. Okay guys, this is our new truck for work. It's in the show. And yeah, this is our new work truck. This is what we came here for, really, because our truck was in the show. But yeah, this thing is huge, so big. My grandpa's coming in today to the convention center, and then we'll probably meet up with him. But yeah, we're just having fun walking around, talking to people. Our truck was actually truck of the year for this show, like their magazine that they put out, and so we've been getting recognized. I've got a hot husband. Show him your new shirt. It looks so good on you. Is this shirt nice, you guys? Alright, we came back from the show and took a nap, and now we're headed out. We've got reservations for dinner.
Freaking 8:15. Who in the heck wants to eat that late?
Yeah, they only had reservations for before 4:45 or 8:15 and later. So we took the 8:15. It's the restaurant's in a mall, so we're gonna go to the mall now and hang out until our reservation. So we're eating dinner. We're not ready for dinner. Reservations aren't yet, but look at this mall. So cool. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Can you leave me alone, ma'am? I'd appreciate it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Boop. Leave a message after the beep. Beep.
Excuse me, sir.
I screwed that one up. I'm tired.
Yeah, you look it. Your eyes are super red. So we're walking around the mall. Having fun. What time is it? We've got a while.
6:45.
Forever. But we checked out the menu and it looks like a good one. Maybe. Hopefully. After a long day of walking through a convention center, this is just what I needed. Foot massage. Rocky. Rocky's in some kind of weird pod thing that looks like the egg that Lady Gaga came out of.
Gotcha.
Interesting. Okay, we're here at Harry Izzy's, and this is our first course appetizer, seared ahi tuna. You excited?
Ready to dig in.
I want to see your reaction. See how good it is. Looks good. Wasabi. Spicy.
And I said, you need to pick a batter. He goes,
Very good.
Delicious.
Now I'm gonna dig in. So we couldn't wait to dig in, and I forgot to vlog because I was so excited to try this, but I got the French onion soup, Rocky got the wedge salad.
Excellent bacon. Big old pieces of bacon. Great tomatoes.
The blue cheese dressing is really good. Very good. We're impressed. Okay, I've got cream spinach and a filet. Rocky got the surf and turf with blue cheese on his steak.
I got a filet.
I said that. Fried green tomatoes and a lobster tail. Yummy And it looks delicious. I can't wait to dig in.
Tastes delicious.
You had to get the pecans on the side for Rocky, but it looks delicious. I can't wait to try it. Can you tie a knot in cherry stems?
Nope.
You're such a liar. Okay, I'm gonna dig in. Bye guys. You want to test the bed? Come on, do the bed test. Wow.
Bed test!
That was lame. You have to jump on it.
I'm jumping in the bed. Bed test!
See how fast you can fall asleep. Okay guys, we just got back and we're gonna hit the hay.
I'm doing the bed test.
Rocky's doing the bed test. He's gonna see how long it takes him to fall asleep fully clothed. And clothes he wore all day. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.